And they're like, what did you tell me?
I have seen season 3 of The Sopranos. That's some mafia stuff right there. So I just moved into a new place. It's very big. It's so big that I actually have a Christopher Walken closet. Open it up and it's like, these shoes are nice for you. Go good. Lady, yes. What is your problem? You haven't laughed once. All night. You look like you're in pain. Did you have the nachos? I warned you about having the nachos. I bet you're an ugly laugher. That's what, hubby, does she not laugh because she looks like Mr. Ed when she does? You know what? Let's figure it out. Because tonight, lady, I am going to be your worst nightmare. Do you look like this all the time? Is this what making breakfast with you is like? What's wrong, lady? You look like you're about to turn into the Incredible Hulk. There she goes.